Hello, welcome back to our course and to our lecture. In this lecture I will show you a tool of Befunky that will help you create different types of images for different purposes. For example, you can create images for event covers, you can create also business cards, you can create images for your social media accounts, you can create practically email headers and so on. You can create various types of images with different shapes, forms, and you can use different templates that Befunky offers to you to create amazing images that are already proven to have a very good impact because of the templates. So when you are already in the photo editor or in the collage section, you just go on the small icon with Befunky, you press on it, you select the designer mode, and this is it. We are already in the designer mode. Okay, here in the left part you have the menu and you have the templates first, then you have the project manager, the image manager, the background, design elements, and text. For example, we can start with the templates. If you go to the templates, another window with the menu will open for you. It's like a drop down menu, but it's sideways. And you have, for example, event graphics. You can create invitations, you can create menus. If you have a restaurant or something like that, you can create thank you cards. Then you have the small businesses where you find business cards, letterhead, and other type of images, blogger resources, okay, infographics. For example, you can create stunning infographics. Obviously, if you didn't know already, infographics have a huge impact for your audience. A lot of successful bloggers and a lot of companies are using infographics to send a powerful message, a strong statistics in their marketplace. And obviously infographics are very oftenly shared with other people and have a tendency to go viral. So it can be a good idea, but that it depends on your business to use infographics. Why? Because you can generate virality. Obviously it would be an even better idea for you to create an infographic that wasn't already made in your marketplace, okay, or a statistic for a certain part of your marketplace that wasn't already researched or has or doesn't have already a infographic similar with yours. So it would be a very good idea to come with something new, and your chances to get that thing viral, that infographic viral, and get massive exposure for your business even by using social media, it's absolutely huge. It can have a great impact overall into your business. So I strongly recommend you use infographic and also share them on social media because they can have a great impact. And then we have the special social media images inside the designer mode here on Befunky. Okay, we have the social media headers for Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Etsy, and YouTube, and the social media graphics also for Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or Pinterest. Also, we have different blank templates for event graphics, social media, and blog resources. For example, if we go to the social media headers and we select the Facebook section, we can select like a very nice cover photo. For example, maybe if you have like a pastry shop or something like that, you can choose this one, this cover photo, which is with macaroons, okay, but this is just an example. You can select this template and after that you can edit it, of course. Okay, we have here on practically an overall we have an integrated image. Okay, this is an already created image, but you can select every single part of this image. For example, here we have like a graphic. You can edit this graphic, okay. You can rotate it, you can make it smaller. Here we have text, okay, you can choose to edit this text. We also have smaller images here. And now, for example, we can add different stuff to this template. We can go to the project manager, okay, or to the image manager. Let's see the design elements. We go to the design elements, and here we can choose different things, okay, and different elements that we can integrate in our images. For example, we can choose different types of lines, okay. We can select something like this, okay. We can for example go and select a ribbon, maybe if we are the ribbon type, okay, or if it suits to our business. We can select different types of shapes, exactly like we see here, okay. And we have even badges. Badges are very good for ads. For example, if you create a Facebook ad, maybe you want to promote a special offer with a discount, you can write that discount inside of a badge, maybe a red badge, to get your viewers attention, okay, or something like that. That's an example. We have frames, okay. We can create, I don't know, we have elements for infographics, for weddings, okay. We have a ton of different elements for social media, for example, okay. Also we have illustrations of various kinds that we can use. So you have a lot of cool elements that you can integrate. And the last part is to add different types of texts to your cover photo, like this one. Then you can edit it, okay. You can add different effects like font size, okay, font family, spacing, alignment, overlay, opacity, and other very cool effects and features that you have. So overall, it's a very simple to use and very efficient tool, because you already have these templates that you can work on and create your very own professional cover photo images, for example. So that, with that being said, the design section of Befunky, it's also like the previous two other options, the collage maker and the photo editor. It's a very powerful tool that you can use to create stunning images for your social media accounts, and I hope it will be very helpful for you in the future and for your business. Now, thank you guys again for your attention. I won't underline it again. You know already that you are awesome. Thank you for your attention. I send you my best wishes, and I will see you guys in our next lecture. Bye bye for now. Sorin here. Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next lecture. In this lecture, I wanted to share with you guys a tool that I've been using to create a lot of cool images and graphics, and not just for my ads, but for my emails and much more. It's called Canva.com. It's a platform. It's a cloud-based software. More than that, so it's a place where you can design your own images, your own graphics. They have a lot of cool templates that you can use, and it's actually very easy to use. It has a very good interface. It's user friendly. You can access it from wherever you want, and from where you have an internet connection, okay, because you have like an account, okay, which is cloud-based, and everything is saved for you there. So this is my dashboard. Exactly as you can see here, you can create an account very easy, because you can connect with your Facebook account, for example, and after you create an account, you have a dashboard just like the one you see on my screen right now. This is my dashboard, and you can start creating your first design, okay. You have a create a design here option. As you can see before this below this header, okay, with the create a design options, there are all my graphics that I have created till now, okay, a lot of them, as you can see. Different types, some for Facebook ads, other for banner ads, other for email, other as email marketing headers, okay, as email headers. So you have a lot of options. So everything will be saved for you exactly as you can see here. You can then enter, you can copy and re-edit, for example, that image. You can edit directly that image, you can delete it, you can do whatever you want, okay. You also have some informations here, okay. You can share designs with other people that have Canva accounts. You can learn to design, okay. You can get design inspiration. So you have a lot of options. Now let's get back to the app itself. You have the create a design option. Maybe, for example, you want to do a Facebook cover, a Facebook post, an Instagram post, whatever you want, presentation. You have different options. If you want to use this platform to create an ad, it's actually very simple. A Facebook ad, you just go to the more button, you just press the button, and all the options will appear for you, okay. And as you can see here, you have social media posts, documents, blogging, and ebooks, okay. You can create an ebook cover, for example, if you want to. Marketing materials like flyers, posters, okay, menus, business cards, and so on. Social media and email headers. Maybe you want for an event to create a header or something like that. YouTube channel art. So you have different options. Every single options, or any option that you will select, you will see you have different types of templates. that you can after that edit, okay, after you enter and select that template. For example, we will go to ads, okay. We have Facebook ads, wide skyscraper, medium rectangle, leaderboard, large rectangle. If we click on the Facebook ad, you will see that the app will load you the template, okay. And this is practically the editor in Canva. And now in the left part of the screen, in the layout section, this is the first thing that will appear for you. You can select a template that you want to use for your ad, okay. You will see that you will have like a small icon here which states free. That means that you can use for free this template. Other type of templates, for example, you have to pay for them, and you have to click on them to see exactly how much you have to pay for them. So you can select your free ones. For example, we can select the wine list. I just want to show you guys an example, and you can now edit the template if you want to. For example, you can edit the text. You can select what type of font you want, okay, what size to be, what color. You also have other options like uppercase, how to align your text, okay, if it should have a certain transparency. Then you have the other text, which you can edit this one too. And then you can edit the background if you want. You can add filters to your background. For example, we can add like a retro filter, okay, this is how it will look like. You have advanced options, okay, for different indicators that you can set them at different values, okay. For example, vignette, okay, the blurry, okay, blurred one to create a more blurred image. And you have different types of options, okay. If you will go, you can flip it, you can crop the image, you can even change the image with the color if you want to, okay. So you have that option too. So you have a lot of options that you can use to create a beautiful background. Also, you can go to the background option and select a different type of background if you want to, okay. You will see here that you have different types of backgrounds. Also, a lot of them are free, like patterns, okay, but you also have paid backgrounds. And most of the time, any element that you will select, it's somewhere around $1, okay. Besides the free stuff, okay, the free graphics. So most of the elements that you will select will be somewhere at $1. The rest of them probably will be for free. Then you can upload your own stuff. For example, as you can see here, I have a lot of things that I've uploaded myself. They will all appear to you in time. They will be saved here, okay, like in a media library. And you can select them and insert them again. For example, if I will click on this icon, this one I found with Icon Finder, okay, and you can make it to be like okay, the background if you want to. But you also have, if you think that you did something wrong and you want to go back, you have the undo option, okay. So it's actually very, very useful and has all the options that that maybe a standalone software editor software would have. So it's actually very, very complex. Then you can go to the search function, for example, and here you have different graphic elements that you can use, okay, to create your images. For example, you have frames. Maybe you want to use frames. We have talked that headshots, for example, that images in Facebook that use headshots are very, very popular and convert very, very well. And for example, you can select a frame here like this one, okay, and you can upload an image in it with somebody, for example, okay. So you have the frame here, okay. You have the headshot, okay, in the frame. So you have different options. Then if you go, okay, let's exit the frame section. If you go to grids, okay, a grid, it's like a collage of photos, okay. You can add photos from different you can add different photos in the same image, okay. Maybe you want to do a grid, a collage, so you have here different templates that you can use. Then if you go to, for example, now they had something special for the Halloween, okay, with graphics for the Halloween. Then you have different illustrations that you can use, okay, different icons, or not just icons, vectors that you can use, okay. So all the time they upload, they update this stuff and they add more stuff that you can use for your images. For example, you can add this this globe, okay. It's very nice. Maybe you want to do something like you have like a travel agency and you want to use this in an image for, I don't know, an offer or something like that. So you have different types. You can even search here. Okay, you have different cool graphics that you can use for your images. So Canva, it's absolutely stunning in my opinion. Now let's see other options too. You have different shapes, for examples, okay, that you can insert. As you can see here, you have lines, okay, different types of lines, okay, dotted, I don't know, dotted, okay, like a graphic, lines, okay, arrows and stuff like that. You have a lot of options. Then you have icons, because we have talked about icons too, that you can insert. Okay, icons are very used in ads and in images, and they convert very well, so I recommend them to you. Okay, and then you have photos too. You have free photos that you can use. You can select paid photos. Okay, you also have charts, for example, different types of charts that you can use. Maybe you want to do a presentation or something like that, or maybe you want to point out something. You just change its name if you want to. Okay, and after that you just press the button download to download the image to your computer, or you can share the image if you want directly to your Facebook. So you can do that too if you want to. So Canva, it's absolutely stunning, guys. I highly recommend it to you. As you have seen, it's very user friendly. It's easy to access. Okay, you can have access to it anywhere, and it absolutely blows your mind with what type of images you can create. I mean, your images will be like made by a professional graphician or something like that. Okay, so you can do stunning ads with Canva. I highly recommend it to you. With that being said, I thank you for your attention, and I will see you guys in the next lecture. Bye bye for now. Sorin here.